So before you can come, firstly you should have introduced yourself. So and so. Unfortunately, I'm Siseko from King Leinster.
Oh,
yes, I'm the wrong person. These are the people you can talk to. But they are the part of King Leinster. Sorry, but my sin is
a lot of people inside. No, you're not having a meeting. Why are you recording?
I'm doing my duty.
So ngiyavanya mntwana isikhalazo khani sifuna usabela isikhalazo sithini because andikasiva mna isikhalazo ngoba ndilibulo lesiza ngasikafa isikhalazo thina esize kuthi. So I want to know what is the complaint?
The complaint is this stand has been erected here to maybe got any permission from Buffalo City documentation that we erect this stand in this piece of land.
Come. Boss, look, this is quite really disappointing and strange, your question. I'm chairperson of Machamachi. Sorry that I'm interfering with intentions. And I was just passing by because I heard there was something that was going here. If you're looking at the informal shacks that are here, if I ask you, are these people having a right to erect such informal Landoka shacks in this area? Why are you so interested? I'm not referring to you, but I know you are sent probably by your superiors. Why are you so interested in this tent? And you want to know where did they get the permission to erect this tent? Do you know that the people who are running that tent don't have a permission as well? That's my concern. It's just out of curiosity, because your approach, not per se you as PCM, it's politically motivated. You are here to undermine first the people of Mdantsane, because you know very well, you as a PCM, you're not doing right things, you're not doing correctly. If you were honest to the people of Mdantsane at large, trust you me, this tent wasn't supposed to be here. It's because your superiors have distanced themselves from the people on the ground, you see. So that's my take, that's my answer. I know he's gonna answer, but somewhere down the line, we need to look at what we are expecting, because at the end of the day, you're gonna live here without achieving what you want to achieve, because you're coming to target only this tent. What about these other shacks? That's it, my friend, that I have for you, Mr. Thompson. I'm not trying to be snarky or funny, but somewhere down the line, if you are honest in trying to restore law and order, really you must be abided by the policies on the ground. So let's do not allow yourself to be fooled by your superiors who would say, go and check what is happening in that tent. Why are these people here? That's not on. There is a very decent way where you can call the community of Mdantsane to come and sit with you. Then you unearth these problems, you see. Because this tent, trust you me, it's going nowhere. Not because I'm saying so, but somewhere down the line, your approach and the way you're trying to deal with the people of Mdantsane is really unfair, and you are compromising the very same people who voted for your organization. Mr. Thomas, I'm very, very disappointed, really. You asked a very good question, but at the wrong time. How many informal shacks are here? Who knows if those shacks have a permit? Nobody knows. Good. Nobody knows. But you are so interested in this temporal structure. This one is easy to remove even now. Think about that shack. How long will it take you to bring down that shack? Almost a day. So, Mr. Thompson, I don't want to lie. I'm not here to fight with anyone or try to be smarter than anyone, but the reality is the way in which the municipality is using you to menace us or to threaten us is really not on. And we are not going to bow down for for the threats they're doing. Sending you to ask us why do you have this? That's totally wrong. That's totally wrong. That's totally wrong, my friend. I don't wanna lie. That's totally wrong. Let me give it to him, as they are the people here.
Oh, for this reason.
Yes, for this reason.
No, I'm also very disappointed because I think we do application for ticketing.
Okay.
We bought documents and it's a part of our picketing because it's a place to relax and then we start another operation. So this is a place to relieve ourselves and then after that and then we take another around. So I don't know what I can say, but I'm very disappointed because this one is temporary. There's a shacks in the pavement, yeah, but no one is care about that. But this thing is on the side. So I'm very disappointed here. But I want to tell you that this is a part of our picketing because this is a place to us to relax because we can't walk the whole day and then we can't. There's a document of picketing. You see?
Do we have
there's
the here for the picketing?
I'm Mosisi Wempondo. I want to add to what the gentleman is saying. We made an application at law enforcement. So this goes on up until October for the picketing. And most when you have a picketing, you can have a gazebo with you because it's your shelter. This is our shelter.
Yes.
We go for picketing rounds during the day. We come back to this because it's winter,
Say
it's
it louder,
raining,
Baba.
it's cold.
Yes.
So this is where we rest.
Yes.
You understand? You can have a gazebo. You can check
Say it
picketing.
again,
When
Mama.
people do picketing, they have gazebos. They have they have tents.
I want that thing to go inside.
You understand?
Deeper. Say it deeper, Baba. Okay, sorry. Say it deeper, Baba. Sorry.
We ask on our
Sorry, Vakal, no, Vakal.
enforcement, please help us. We want to demolish all the structures in highway. We never got an answer for that. We went to the ward councillor. We told her what we want. She never responded till this day. We applied for the picketing till October. We do have the documents here. I think it was Mr. Thompson or I don't know, I'm not sure. But I know Clark was there. I was one of the people that were signing in everyone constitution for what we applied for. So it's very disgusting, like we are very disappointed about this. Why guys you're not helping us? We came for the permission, we asked for permission. We ask you to help us to demolish all the structures, but we never got any response. But now you are here for the tent. We can take down the tent now, but if you want to put it back, we will.
Yes.
Okay, Mama.
Ngena mama. Ngena mama good. Good mama ndiyayithanda loo nto.
Kakama.
Uyazi guys,
Ndiyayithanda.
nina nonke mapolisa nisezipokothweni zamagweja. Namhlanje thina simise le ntente. Aniqala ukufika namhlanje nifuna ukudiliza le ntente. Ugame nifika apha nifuna udiliza le ntente. Kodwa isimanga nina amapolisa nitya kwezi ntente zalamagweja. Nihambe niyongena emall. Nake nafuna udiliza ezi structures ngena lapha ehighway nizawubona nizawufika simakishe red asizidilizana kuba kaloku besilinde nina kuba benithe nizawufika nizowudiliza apho besizawukwazi ukunixelela into yoba before nizosusa le nto ingabethelelwanga nizawuqala kwezi yasizimanishileyo khange nifike kuba kaloku ninemvulo ezibrown namhlanje niyafika niza nezigudu niza ngebhomba apha enkulu alaba inyala noba yintoni na nizowuthatha le ntente nizowuthatha thina kule ntente sisilwa into esityayo etyanina nabantwana benu ingoba abantwana benu nina bathi drugs abenu abantwana bangcwele bayazifumana izilot esikolweni bafumane iziplaces abethu abantwana bafunda kwizikolo ezikude kuba kaloku abafumani indawo kwezi zikolo zikufutshane kumakwabo ngenxa ezizibhanqa zamagweja. Yabona ke guys ukuba umthetho uzabacalayo singabalapha eSouth Africa funeka nisicacisele nisibonise uba ibhalwe phi na into yokokuba all the Africans must sit with one bum and the foreigners must sit in a comfortable zone.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
guys, it can't be like that.
Nam
It can't be like that. If you want us to start from where it was started by our grandfathers and forefathers, it will be like that, guys. If all of us want peace, let's do the right thing.
Yes.
I wish they hear you.
Let's do the right thing.
Cela ungena, cela ungena nam.
Ithi ke ngoku, I'm almost about to
Cela ungena na.
ithi ke ngoku le nto siyacela kuni guys, siyazithoba sithi xa nifuna uyisusa le ntente asali kodwa funeka niqale ngezi-structures.
Yes.
laa nto ithi first in,
Yeah. Yes.
first out.
First out, yes.
So ke ngoku ukuba ngaba kuza kwenziwa ngaloo ndlela
Kamako mama.
izawuba loo nto ke ngoku ukuthi itsho kamandi ezintliziyweni. Let's go guys, siqale sithi first in, first out. Kamandi siwamakishile.
We are willing to help.
Imake just ngena mkhulwana. Sorry. Kolweni man, yazi the reason why when I'm a brother I'm taking this video. I wanna ibonakala i-approach yethu kuni oba ibinjani so that singatyholani. Ya siyathanda utyholana kodwa basithuka nasi-approacha wrong ya nasi always nice leyo into. But into endizama uyilandika wena mkhuluwa, we're doing le nto, we tried. And I think you went to a meeting sasibizile noFanzile phaya NU1. We siyatrya uyenza ngokomthetho le nto le. Sinixelela uba these illegal structures ezimisiweyo by illegal foreigners, you understand, azikho right. Wavuma uFanzile uba you've been trying uzisusa ezinto ezi, and we are doing leyo into uba there are ezi structures, look at these structures, you understand, zibekwe apha endleleni without permission, and nina ningu-law enforcement aninayo i-manpower yoyenza le into. Yintoni erongo abahlali xa bephakama bona bencedisa u-law enforcement? We're not fighting against nina, we're saying the law enforcement or the law of EPCM must be applied. And the West xa isenziwa ngabantu ke ngobokufika these people, they don't even have papers. And as a message but this is a temporary structure. We're showing you that yesterday there was Sanka, Blood SA was putting temporary structures by intent doing it, and everyone can do a temporary structure without any permission. And we're doing Leo in the upper, and we assist. That's why we're trying to record Ishamkula. We're not fighting with the law enforcement. We're saying law enforcement, you don't have powers. We want to assist you. What is wrong with Leo in the Swam? Sina amandla thina and citizens. Nina apa nizo enforce umthetho we citizens. And we're saying xa nisithi ninawo amandla wachitha masambeni sisonke. As esitsho usisi lona kuthi wena mkhuluwa kuthi sithi if uthi law enforcement masichithe le ntende nangoku soyichitha ngokwethu, then emva koko sihambeni siye pha. Yabo sihambeni ke ngosiyochitha la magali illegal foreigners lapha ngaphakathi. The only thing esicela ileyo kuni, we're not here to fight with umthetho, but siyanicela uba khani hambe nenze lento ke sicela isi citizens.
Then you can come and demolish this one too.
Yeah.
Finish there.
Nansi enye into ebalulekileyo bantu bakwa-law enforcement, nansi into efuneka ibaluleke, ndithe kuni le nto eyenzekayo is being politicized. I-ANC is benefiting from this foreigners. Now we need to understand into eyi-one. Ndike laa nemeeting no-provincial lanto kamanager wase-Home Affairs ne-deputy provincial commissioner amapolisa eBhisha. Sine-meeting eBhisha. Sibuza umasipala, kukhona lo law enforcement person. Simbuza ngezikhonteyina zigcwele kangaka zezikabantu. Yazi into endesithuleyo uba yintoni? Kangeza. Umasipala akazazi uba zezobani ezinye. Akazazi eqonce, akazazi uba zezobani zigcwele phaa eqonce not apha. So you can imagine. You can imagine. Nithi niku-law enforcement. Niku-law enforcement. Tina sijonga uba nina you gonna do the right things for the community, but instead of doing the right thing for community, you questioning the advices that you are given by community.
By foreigners, by community, by foreigners.
Sendela lokubaqala sithi ngokuba ezi shacks zirong nezicontainer, but abayithathi laa nto baba mazisuse ezindle yabo. So somewhere down the line, what I'm saying to you, this is politicized. You are made fools by your bosses. They know very well that this is against your bylaws. your bylaws. This is against your bylaws because if you go to any town or during the apartheid reign, we were walking freely on the pavement. But today, the pavement, they've got the foreigners and staff about things. You cannot walk on the pavement. And then what? Enforcement. I'm going to tell you this thing before that. Uba mkhuluwa wena mntu wakwethu nawe unxibe shades nibe forward hayi kodwa abantu bathethe into enyenyana ningagxothwa nazo supporter teams yenzile i-coordinator lento uba makube nje yabo because bengakho suppose zilapha then izoqala ngale yogqibela le niqala ngayo bezingakho suppose bathi lapha but niyayuzwa but asizulwa nani sifuna ukubonisa uba iposition yethu inethu yabo asinanto against nina ngokungathi asinanto sinayo siyayazi uba nenza wrong
nje kancinci yazi wena sisi wami mhlambi into before nihambe ne mhlambi umphako esinonika yona just kancinci ba ubhushule yeah into esinoyicela wena before nihambe yabona wena bakhuluwa niye kwi-superiors nithi aba bantu bentende they are not resisting, they can take it down intende at any time umthetho ufuna, but bacela abantu bentende xa kuthathwa le ntende ihliswa i-temporally masesihamba ke kudilizwe zonke izi-structures zonke laa nto beniyifuna nini besiyoyicela leyo into kuni, understand? So we're not resisting mkhuluwa, we're not resisting anything about intende. If noba not ziyachithwa ngoku siyongena phaya, we're saying mayichithwe ngoku kuhanjwe kuyodilizwa nezinye. That's all esicelayo kumasipala.
And the approach would be koqalwa ngazo zonke ezilapha zidilizwe simane sizophumula lapha sinincedise emva koko sigqibe ngosisuse naleni awudiniwe
nakusisi
baqini siyathetha
ufuna uthetha sisi
xola kakame
xola nasimnitha
xolo yeke enkosi sisi wami enkosi sisi wami nangoku ya enkosi sisi wami.